Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This is an after convention video, and the convention was in Münster, Germany. And after convention means that something went wrong. And this is no exception. There is something wrong here, and there's something wrong here. And I need to do a little adaptation with the supports. And the question is, what went wrong? Well, for some weird reason, and I have no clue why yet, is that during the activation of this arm with, well, pivoting around this base, this whole structure came apart from the base of the arm, which rarely happens. So although it has been working during the convention, operational during the convention for 4 hours straight, which is a long time by the way, it never happened that this came apart. And yet it came apart for no less than 6 times, if not more. So that's strange. So I want to see if I see that happen, but well, this video doesn't last 4 hours, so that's a bit strange. And another thing that happened is that this motor got displaced. So at one time I thought, I saw that the arm was no longer pivoting, while the motor was moving, and then I noticed that this worm gear no longer gripped the gear which is the bottom of the whole arm. So it does happen occasionally, so I need to find a way to fix this. And this is easily shiftable, so I need to find a way to keep it in place. And that is what I need to do. So yes, screencast once again. The camera view obviously, then the coder, which I don't expect to change. Diagnostics, which I may change or may use. And then obviously the code to execute, which won't work this way, but this way it will. So in Münster, what happened? Well, first of all, the pressure I now know is a little bit too low when the whole system is working. And therefore the fingers don't really work, not unless I use the diagnostics interface, which leaves everything alone except for the pump mechanism. But now what happened, and the camera angle is a little bit not nice for this. This is better. So here the frame for the lower pitch gearbox is being disconnected, and that happened like this. It was just completely off. Well, you can see the way, by the way I do this, it is not easily done. So I have the question that if this is whether this is really a design flaw, or that someone deliberately did something to put it away. And I'm not sure. So let's just try it and see whatever happens. This obviously can be dealt with, because this can be this can slide, and I need a little bit distance for this to show you. This can obviously slide, this can't. So if this worm gear does not grip this gear, which makes the pivot, then Why do I have to lose things here? Doesn't make sense. Unless I miss something right here. Something I need to look into, but that's aside. Motor and switch. Let's do the switch first. And that's it for now. Solving a few things, but also with testing, riddles remain and come forward. So if you want to see everything, you'll have to see the whole video either as a member of Ko-fi, as a patron tier 2, or just buying via either Ko-fi or Patreon. In the meantime, thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up and click the bell for notification. You can support in another way via Ko-fi, via PayPal and via Buy Me a Coffee. Everything is in the description box, and this is obviously going to be continued because there are more things to be dealt with. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.